Non-alphanumeric list order from os.listdir. I often use Python to process directories of data. Recently, I have noticed that the default order of the lists has changed to something almost nonsensical. For example, if I am in a current directory containing the following subdirectories: run01, run02, run19, run20, and then I generate a list from the following command. Then I usually get a list in this order. And so on. The order used to be alphanumeric. But this new order has remained with me for a while now. What is determining the displayed order of these lists?
I think the order has to do with the way the files are indexed on your file system. If you really want to make it adhere to some order, you can always sort the list after getting the files.
You can use the built-in sorted function to sort the strings however you want, based on what you describe. Alternatively, you can use the .sort method of a list. I think should do the trick. Note that the order that os.listdir gets the file names is probably completely dependent on your file system.
For the documentation, os.listdir path return a list containing the names of the entries in the directory given by path. The list is in arbitrary order. It does not include the special entries ... even if they are present in the directory. Order cannot be relied upon and is an artifact of the file system. To sort the result, use sorted os.listdir path.
Python, for whatever reason, does not come with a built-in way to have natural sorting, meaning 1, 2, 10 instead of 1, 10, 2, so you have to write it yourself. You can now use this function to sort a list. Problems. In case you use the above function to sort strings, for example folder names, and want them sorted like Windows Explorer does, it will not work properly in some edge cases. This sorting function will return incorrect results on Windows if you have folder names with certain special characters in them. For example, this function will sort 1, A, whereas Windows Explorer would sort 1, A. So if you want to sort exactly like Windows Explorer does in Python, you have to use the Windows built-in function struct logical via C types. This of course won't work on Unix. This function is slightly slower than sorted_alphanumeric. Bonus: WinSort can also sort full paths on Windows. Alternatively, especially if you use Unix, you can use the natsort library, pip install natsort, to sort by full paths in a correct way, meaning subfolders at the correct position. You can use it like this to sort full paths. Starting with version 7.1.0, natsort supports os_sorted, which internally uses either the before-mentioned Windows API or Linux sorting, and should be used instead of natsorted.